guys, welcome back. It's Heather and Kristen.
And I look like a hot mess.
We both do. I'm baked, you're baked.
Oh, I'm
ready
baked.
to roll. Ready to roll. So today we're going to do the rainbow eye look tutorial.
We or me?
Or you are.
I was going to say, you're
I'm
going
to be in the background, but we're going to zoom in her face so she can teach you exactly how she has her mad skills into this
No pressure.
look. There's no pressure.
I was going to say, if you're zooming in, be careful of the pores, because they're going to be like, BAM!
Oh.
That's your alarm. Wake up, Heather!
I'm awake. So anyways, let's get started. I'll zoom her in, and we'll be in the back room chatting about beauty and stuff, and away we go.
Whoa. You gonna work on your makeup too?
Yeah.
Okay. This is really nerve-wracking being this close, but I am going to go ahead and get started because this is going to take a whole minute. Last time I did this, it took me about an hour because I packed on a lot of product because I want it to be a bold, like vibrant look. So I'm going to go in with the first color. Is going to be from the Morphe's Dare to Create 39A palette. And I don't have the name of this color, but I'm going to go in with this red color.
It's usually on the back.
No, it's on that plastic sheet that
we
no longer have. We chunked it, so that's okay. We'll make it work.
She will.
Usually Heather likes to use like the matte paint pot?
Yeah, do you want it?
No.
Okay.
When I do,
my bad.
I don't even use a transition color when I do a rainbow because I like to just pack on product. So let me see if I can get lots of product on there. So as you can see, see if I can get it to focus. Maybe.
Put it in front of your face.
Ooh. Okay, so the orange I'm going with isn't really, it's more kind of like a mustardy orange. And this is from Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette. And this is the, oh gosh, Ampton Gorgeous. I can't see small print when I don't have my glasses on, so I'm virtually blind, but not really. Just take my word for it. And the color I'm going in with is Secure. I'm going to go in that same Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to use the color Access for my yellow. It's kind of a mustardy yellow, but it's still pretty bold and vibrant, as you can see. I need to work on my centering skills. That's kind of funny. And so we're going to hit the eye right in the middle with the yellow. So I'm going to go in her original Jaclyn Hill palette by
She's
Morphe.
got what I would call hunter green in her
Yeah,
vault.
it's like a deep, well, she's got a few deep greens. And this color I'm going to use, what does that say? I can't see it.
Jada.
Jada? Okay.
Either Jade or Jada. It's one of the two.
So it's going to be this one. Ignore the roughness of this palette because it is well loved and we are obsessed with it. So we are going to go in with a beautiful blue. And this is going to go back to the Morphe Dare to Create palette. And I'm going to go in with this beauty right here. I'm trying to get all these big old palettes in order. I love me a big palette. Sorry, but not sorry. I don't know, this may sound kind of ridiculous and kind of crazy, but the bigger the palette, it makes you feel more of an artist. It's like a canvas that you're starting with.
I get that.
You get it?
Yeah, I get that.
I'm not crazy. Okay, so my final color, as you can see, it's coming along. I kind of look like a clown right now because I haven't blended like on top. Heather always gets after me because I don't go further up, but it's just weird. I've got weird eyes.
You've got hooded eyes just like I do, and if you want to like let people see them, you need to
they'll see it.
Go a little bit, well, I mean, yeah. But like for a different look, you want to go a little bit more so that people can see how beautiful the eyes you've done. Sorry.
So my final color,
my bad.
I'm going to go back in with the Morphe's Jaclyn Hill, and of course it is my favorite color in this entire palette. I can't even see that name. Is Gem, and it's going to be this one right here. Anytime I do like my bold, vibrant purple look, I use that color. And I don't use a little. It's probably the most used color in this entire palette because it's got to be a big old dip in it because I love it. It's funny because I can hear it. Anytime Heather's doing any kind of bronzer, blush, highlight, When she opens her mouth, I know what she's doing because she's got her mouth wide open like.
On, so I don't like.
Put your spectacles on.
Is my bronzing okay? Or is it too much?
No, it looks good.
Okay.
Looks good.
I think we're ready.
I think we is.
So this video might be a little bit longer. I'm gonna try and like all the places that we're gonna go to, kind of like speed it up a little bit, but not too much to where you're like, okay, I didn't see anything. So this video is gonna be a little long, but just bear with us, and we will see you at the event.